this video, we will learn that how you can properly integrate night mode in your Android application. So let me get started with creating a layout, login layout, so you can understand that in that layout we will take text view, image, and the backgrounds, which will get issued, which will shows you issues when you enable the night mode. So it will I'm going to show you that how you can properly integrate that night mode integration. So let me just get started with creating a layout. So I'm going to have, it's going slow, parent, web content, and orientation, vertical, padding, 15 dp, okay, text view, parent, web content, text, login, text size 40, text style bold, text color. Here I'm giving a custom color, which is color black. Okay, and after that I'm gonna implement the image, which will be 19 dp width, 19 dp height. Okay, so now let me get some image for this. So just go to your browser, type Android Assets Studio, and click on Roman numerics Android Assets Studio. Then just go to generate icon, generic icon generator. I'm picking this image for my day mode, and here I'm gonna give this name as building icon. This image I'm creating for my night mode. Okay, I'm picking up its sizes around 120, 120, and you can download this image. It will, when you download this package, as you can see, just extract extract here, open this, and just select all and just copy and go to Android Studio. Go to the top of the Android, where you can find the Android. Just go to projects, app, source, main, resource, and then you have to paste all these directories in your resource directory. So just paste all these refactor. As you can see that we got the directories, but we couldn't get the images. So let me just copy these images manually. So what we will do is, okay, XDPI, HDPI, triple access DPI. Okay, so here where images are implemented. Now let this close, double shift, click on double shift, type main. Here you can find your activity layout. Okay, then you can easily just type source, then you have to type building icon, margin top. I'm giving it 20 dp. Okay, and you just have to type gravity, which is layout gravity, and you can type center, so it will comes in center. Then you have to, I'm gonna create edit text, match parent, web content. Okay, I'm giving it a height which will be 50 dp. Okay, now I'm gonna create its background file. So I'm gonna type bg et, it will be edit text. Okay, so now you have to just shape. It's working a bit slowly. Rectangle, select your shape as rectangle, then solid. I want to see white day mode, so I'm giving a color, it will be white, and will be corners will be radius as 10. Okay, so I'm giving it a background. Sorry, I'm giving background. Then you just have to type BG, and you can see that. Okay, now I'm giving a margin, which will be 5 dp, and elevation for shadow, I'm giving it a 10 dp. Margin from top will be 20. Okay, so this margin will not gonna work now. So margin bottom will be 5, margin left will be 5, margin right will be 5. Input type will be text email address. IME option will be done. Okay, now hint will be email, padding left 15 dp. Okay, so now what I need to do is I'm gonna just copy this edit text and create a password field. So I'm gonna type password, and I'm gonna change in this one input text number password. Okay, action done. Okay, sorry, I have to write is action next. Okay, now I'm gonna create a button, each parent content, then margin top from 40, type text, login, text color will be black, so it will be white, okay, that's fine. As you can see that we have created a layout file. So now let me just run and show you that how it will look alike without integrating the night mode. When we will enable the night mode, how it will look alike. It's taking a bit of time. Top from there. Let me just give it a, okay, now it's fine. After this we will I'm just showing you that how our layout is working or not. Okay, as you can see that our layout is created. Now let me just hide its action bar. So just go to the main activity, type get support action bar dot hide. Okay, for now let me just show you that if we will enable the night mode from system, what will happen. You just go to settings, okay, go to display. As here you can see the dark theme option. Just enable this one. Okay, now go to your app. Here you can see that the text color is not changed, the image color is not changed, and the background we have applied is not changed. So now we will properly integrate our night mode. So let me just get started. The text color. So here what I'm gonna do is just go to your values, go to themes, and you have to create. Let me just create this thing again. Style, and here you have to type is text whatever you name you want to give to the give to your theme. Okay, just type parent and select the day night mode, whatever it is. As you can see that we have multiple options, that app combat also providing day night mode, material combat or material API is also providing day night mode. Whatever you want to select, you can select. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Okay, now to type item, then you have to type text, color, primary, and then you have to type I'm I'm wanted I want that when my day mode is enabled, the text color should be in black, and when my text color whenever I enable the night mode, my text color should be white. So I'm giving it white. So let me go to the login. Just we do not need here the text color. So just type style and text appearance. We have applied successfully the text on the theme on the text. Now let me just show you that how you can change the uh, color of the image, color of image when night mode is enabled. So just go to your browser again and select the same size and send configurations image, and just change the color. And remember one thing, uh, you should you should the file name you sh the file name should be the same as you have in the as you have previously. So just download this image, and you have to delete this one, except here. And before that, you must go to the you should go to your Android Studio, and just as you can see that you have five different directories for images. So let me just show you that how what you should do for your night mode. Just you have to create these directories, night mode directories too. So you have to go to the resource file and new, and create Android resource directory. Now what you have to do is you have to give drawable, sorry, night and HDPI. As you can see that we have drawable HDPI. Now whatever directory you have created for the night mode, you have to type like this. So I'm giving this name and copy this name for further directories. Okay, so now let me just be quick. Okay, HDPI, MDPI, okay, MDPI, XHDPI. Okay, now the third one is XHDPI, triple X HDPI. Okay, so now our night mode configuration is created for these. Okay, so as we have downloaded this one and extracted this one, as you can see, let me just show you that this one is white. Okay, so let me just copy all these in. Remember, now you have to paste all these in these directories, night directories. Okay, night configuration directories. So let me just copy these. And please remember that you must have the same name, the file which you are integrating in these. So now let me show you that building icon. Okay, just see the name. Okay, and in this night HDPI we have the same name, building icon. Okay, so Now this one is integrated, so close all. Okay, now just tab double shift, go to your main activity, and as you can see, now you do not need to do anything because you have successfully integrated the icon. Now it's time to integrate for this one. So just let me show you that some colors which you can use for night mode. I'm copying this code. Color matte black. Okay, so now what you need to do is, as you can see that we have created night directories for these image files. You also have to create a night directory for this drawable where we have created these directories. And just remember that uh, you have to you should give the name. You should give give the name is same in the parent directory. Okay, day directory I mean. Okay, you can see, let me just create bg edit text. Oh, sorry. So it will give you error because the name is not same. Okay, as you can see that now it's not giving me any error. So let me just copy this thing. As you can see that this will show you a night and day mode when you have the same name. So I'm giving it a, I'm going to choose it here, a matte black. Okay, and it doesn't need to do anything because you have already applied the background here. Okay, and now you can do same with the big button. If you want to create any button background, then you can create btn, then you have shape. Okay, and you have to type shape rectangle. Oh, sorry, solid color matte black. Okay, corner radius 10. Okay, and now you have to create the same file in this one, but with your night mode configuration. Button shape rectangle. Now let me just copy bg button, control a, control c, control a, control b. Okay, now just white in night mode. Okay, so now let me just, you can also, I think you can also type in. Okay, so let me just change the background. Okay, bg btn. Now let's just run the app and let me disable the night first. On etiquette passport. It's taking a bit time. Okay, now let me just, as you can see that we have successfully got the layout. Now let me just enable the night mode system. Okay, so now let us go to the app. As you can see that we have login. Our text color is changed, our image color is changed, our edit background is changed. Now let me just be sure that you can create bg main. I'm creating this file for shape our main background. So shape rectangle, solid, color black. This is for this is for day mode, so I'm gonna give it a name as white. Just go to your drawable night and create the same with the same name, bg main, and just okay, select all, control B, and just type black. Okay, so now what you need to do is come on the top, type background, bg main. It will give you a white. It will give you a in day mode it will give you white, and in night mode it will give you a the, black background. Here we have see that what how we can integrate the night mode when system dark mode is enabled. The next I'm going to create a next in part 2 where we can see where you can see that how you can apply night mode from directly from your website. Okay, so if you like as you can see that you have got the proper night mode integration. So if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment your queries, and please make do subscribe my channel.